Hello students and friends, I am your Ram Singh present again with new topic which is related to the types of industries. So let us start the types of industries. Industries are usually classified on the basis of size, ownership, material means raw material and products. First of all, let us talk about the types of industries on the basis of size. An industry that produces on a large scale, employs a large workforce and involves a huge investment is called large scale industry, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ज़्यादा ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ एम्प्लॉयमेंट ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਔਰ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਮਸ਼ੀਨਸ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਔਰ ज़्यादा ਏਰੀਆ 'ਚ ਇਸਟੈਬਲਿਸ਼ਡ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, that is called large scale industry. Iron and steel, automobile and shipbuilding industries are example of large scale industries. After that, a small scale industry. एक किहड़ी हैगी अगली टाइप हैगी है that is small scale industry, produce on a smaller scale, employs fewer people and needs a lower investment such as rice mill, oil mill, small unit producing fans, cycles, bulbs. These all are the small scale industries. After that, third type, that is village and cottage industries, produce on a very small scale and require very little investment. After that, they are attached to home and often employ only family members. Second, on the basis of ownership. Ownership, an industry owned by an individual or a group of individuals is called private sector industry. So first type on the basis of ownership, that is private sector industry. After that, an industry owned by the government is called public sector industry. ਜਿਹੜੀ government ਦੇ under ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, that is called public sector industry. And an industry owned jointly by the government and private individuals is called joint sector industry. ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ private ਔਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਦੀ ਹਿੱਸੇਦਾਰੀ ਹੋਵੇ, that is called joint sector industry. After that, an industry owned and run by a group of people who produce or supply raw materials for the industry is called cooperative sector industry. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਕੋਆਪਰੇਟਿਵ ਸੈਕਟਰ ਦੀ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਲਕ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਨੇ, ਚਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਰॉ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਸਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਆਪਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ. ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਕੋਆਪਰੇਟਿਵ ਸੈਕਟਰ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ. ਇਸ ਦੀ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ rice mill owned and run by farmers growing rice is an example of cooperative sector unit. After that, Anand Milk Union Limited, that is called Amul दूध पीता है India, right, and Sudha Dairy are cooperative sector mills units. After that, on the basis of raw materials, there are some types of the industries. On the basis of raw material, we can understand that first of all, that is agro based industries. Agro based industries are those in which the raw material is taken from the agricultural grounds or agriculture clearly. After that, marine based, the raw material is taken from the marine, means from ocean, seas, right? So that's why it is called marine based industries. After that, mineral based industries. Mineral based industries are those who are using minerals as their raw material. And engineering industries are automobile, shipbuilding, electronics. So these all are the engineering based industries. After that, products. On the basis of products, there are two types of industries. First one, that is capital good industries or basic industries. So these produce heavy machinery, engineering goods, cement these are called capital goods and industries. And second one, that is consumer goods industries. Consumer goods industries such as produce things like textile, cosmetics, paper, food products, these all. Next one, that is industrial development in India. Now the factors to discuss here, that how the industries have developed in India, what are those factors which are responsible for the development of the industries in India. Although cottage industries are well developed in India since ancient times, modern industries developed much later here than in many parts of the world. The following some are factors that led to the growth of modern industries in India. First of all, that is, India has a wide variety of raw materials in the form of minerals, agricultural products and forest products. India has a wide variety of raw materials. Raw material बहुत ज़्यादा है, minerals, agricultural products, forest products, these all are enough here to run an industry. And after that, India has large deposits of coal which is used for their power supply or proper running of the industries. After that, most parts of India are well connected by roads and railways. This is another factor. In the starting of the chapter or in the previous video, I can say that we have studied about it. India's large population provides cheap labor. Now labor is another important factor here. So cheap labor for industries and a large domestic market for manufactured goods. Several banks, cooperative credit agencies in India now provide loans. So किसी ने भी इंडस्ट्री लगानी होवे तो लोन की तो जरूरत पैंदी है ना. कई बार ये तो नहीं होंदा कि हर एक बंदे दी जेब च पैसे होण ते उथों कढ के लगा ले ਉਹ. कई बार लोन की भी जरूरत पैंदी हैगी आ. India has agro-based industries such as cotton, silk and jute textile, sugar and vegetable oil, forest industries such as paper and mineral-based industries such as iron and steel, aluminium processing, petroleum refining, chemical and cement. India also has engineering industries such as automobile, railway equipment, shipbuilding, aircraft and electronic goods. So with this, our today's video completes here. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.